How to hide your location on Telegram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings and search for Location. Then click on Location. In Location, click on App Access to Location. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, search for Telegram and click on Telegram. After that, you will find settings of Telegram, and then if it's allow all the time, make sure the dot is in don't allow, which is the last option. After you have done that, you will be able to hide your location on Telegram. This is how to hide your location on Telegram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.